J.S. Rishika from grade 8 from Hindu Vidyalaya Metric High Secondary School, Marthaga. We are here with the project Earthquake Alert System. We are happy to participate ATL Marathon by the theme of mobility. Introduction. Earthquake Alert System use sensor to detect tremors and notify people before earthquake strikes.
Aim. The goal of an earthquake alert system is to provide information on intensity as soon as possible to help mitigate earthquake disaster.
Materials: jumper wires, buzzer, Arduino UNO. Working. Sensor detect the P wave and immediately transmit data to an earthquake alert center where the location and size of the quake are determined and updated as more data become available. Advantage: reducing risk, saving time, protecting schools, covering large areas. Conclusion: when an earthquake occurs or when the dynamo is started, the resulting vibration causes movement of the pendulum.
Future scope: improved risk communication, citizen science, automated action, low cost sensor. We hope that you like our project. We heartily thank our management, all the mentors and teachers who helped throughout the project in the ATL lab, which also help us to think creativity and also ignited an innovative mind.
Thank you.